Hey everybody,
Hi,
welcome back. Today we are drawing
Finn the Human.
Finn the Human from Adventure
Finn
Time.
Yeah!
Here we go. So in the middle up here, wait for me. I know you keep going ahead of me. We are drawing an oval shape. So we draw a little oval shape over there. Simple stuff, yes, that's correct. We draw a little dot for an eye that side. And a dot for another eye. We've got two eyes already. Now we draw a little smile. Looks cute. So now we go as wide as the face is. We draw a little line going across there, slightly curved. You got that? Correct. And now we're going to draw a little ear shape and bring the line down. And the same on the other side. So watch me. Going ahead again. A little ear shape and bringing the line down. That's how far down I'm gonna go. And on the other side, I repeat the same thing. Square this line off at the bottom. And another one up here. See, he's wearing a cowl like Batman.
Yeah.
And now, below the square, we're going to draw a line. It's going to be the bottom of his pants, but just within that width. So, just there, in the middle below it, okay?
Yeah.
And now we draw another line going out like that, and a line going out on that side. We draw another line there, and another line there. Finish that up. That's his pants. You got his pants? And now up here, see, just over between where the cowl meets the top,
Yeah.
we're going to draw a little shape just like that. And on that side as well. That's the straps of his backpack. And now we're going to draw from the straps, his arms is going to come out. It's going to come out this way and curl back there. So, and we stop there. And we mimic the line again. We follow that line again. And we stop there. You've got both. On the other side, the same thing. Go out and we stop. And double it up. And we stop. So now it looks like two arms. Let me see yours. There we go, that's correct. Now we can draw 1, 2, 3, 4 little fingers. You can just make them little stubs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. That's correct. He's looking so cute. And now,
Yeah,
to finish him off, we need his legs.
Yeah.
You got it? So, 2 lines down. Just for legs. And the other side as well. And then here's socks and shoes. So watch me. A little line like that. That can overlap the edges of that. And then we make a circle around that, but not through his leg itself. There we go.
Right there.
Same that side. And now his feet is just shapes. So we can just do that. And the side as well, you just do feet shapes. And it's actually black, you can color it in black. And there we have it,
Yep.
Finn the Human. It was simple, isn't it?
High five, buddy!
And we get to color. So the cowl is white, the top is blue, the straps of his backpack is green, and his pants is dark blue. What are we gonna do for his skin color? Oh, you're using the skin color. That's fine. I'm gonna grab blue for his top. forgot something.
What?
His sleeves. We're supposed to follow in 2 lines there. So, everybody, sleeves. Sleeves. And he's got sleeves.
Yeah, we did
We
that.
close these markers up nice and tight again. And we color in those sleeves.
Adventure time! Come on, grab your friends. We'll go to very distant lands. We'll take the dog and then the human. The fun will never end. It's adventure time.
Done.
And there we have it, everybody. That's Finn the human. So next we're gonna do Jake the dog.
Yes.
Thanks for watching.
Yep.
Please like, do subscribe, click the bell icon to get notified of any new videos.
Yes.
Be good
And have fun.
and have fun. Bye.
No.
Nice.
Jake.